Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Marcus Garvey Drive. Now Marcus Garvey Drive is a very busy road. As you can see, it's one of the few 6-lane roads in Jamaica. And this road is 6 lanes. It was recently renovated and it takes you from the 3 miles area to downtown Kingston. And it also takes you to the Kingston Wharf, or the largest port in Jamaica, the Kingston Container Terminal. And on the right we are passing Petrojam, which is the largest and only oil refinery in Jamaica. So this is a very busy road. It also you can access Tinsel Pen Aerodrome from this road. Very busy area. I'm sorry, very busy road. So Maxis Tires has their location on the left. That's still Petrojam on the right. JPS has a power plant somewhere out here. And one of the reasons why this road has so much commercial activity is because to the right of us, all those offices like Petrojam, for example, they have access to the Kingston Harbour. So they have their own port or their own berth. So the ships just come into the Kingston Harbour, dock right there, and unload their goods right at Petrojam. On the left is a free zone facility, the Garmex Free Zone and Commercial Complex. So the goods that they make there, they have some special arrangement, taxes, and the goods are exported out of Jamaica, and they don't have to pay some of the taxes because the goods are made specifically for export. So that area has special tax benefits. That's why they call it a free zone. Okay, so that's Petrojam on the right. Now on the left is Industrial Terrace. You turn here, you go into neighborhoods like Tivoli Gardens, Denham Town, West Kingston, and they also have another free zone up that road. Okay, so now we're coming up to Nutramix, and they too have a port or a berth on the Kingston Harbour. On the left is a separate facility, and we have videos up of driving through the separate head office, corporate offices. That's a massive warehouse up there, so you guys can check out those videos. And on the left is nutrition products. So this is one of the main routes into downtown Kingston. It's actually one of the most popular routes into downtown Kingston. So on the left is the Ministry of Industry, Commerce and Agriculture office. And I'm surprised that that's their head office, or maybe it's just one of the buildings. Usually these government ministries have large buildings in very nice areas. Okay, so on the right is Rubis, and then up here on the right now is the Downtown Municipal Transport Center. Basically it's a bus park for downtown Kingston, but this is what you call an epic failure. It's just not very popular. It's not very used. Persons don't like coming down to this area. Where you can see some police officers hard at work on the left. I have to really give a shout out to the police. They are really trying to maintain law and order on the roads. And you've seen so many of the videos that we make where you see persons literally breaking the rules. The other day we did a video on Red Hills Road where a taxi operator stopped in the middle of the road and reversed on the main road. So let's just say the police officers have a very tough job when you have to try and regulate the roads. And we're just giving a shout out to them. They're doing an excellent job, and let's keep up the good work. Alright guys, we are now on Harbour Street, so we have entered downtown Kingston. And Harbour Street is one of the main roads that take you through downtown Kingston. Today is a Sunday, so there's not a lot of activity down here, but downtown Kingston is one of the busier places in Jamaica. Alright, so we're now coming up to King Street. Turn left, you take King Street up to Parade. Turn right, you take King Street down to Ocean Boulevard or to the Kingston Harbour. On the left is Burger King, on the right is Juicy Patties. This is a very busy area, so you're going to find a lot of all the fast food restaurants have, the major fast food restaurants have a location down here. Oh, this is the Burger King here on the left. Also, all the banks have offices down here. A lot of the large business places have locations down here. It's a very busy place. And you also have a lot of residential communities down here. But during the week, during the day, very busy place. One of the biggest problems is parking down here. That's how busy the place is. So this is Duke Street in front of us. It's a one-way, so you can only turn left. And Duke Street will take you up to National Hero Circle. Duke Street is also where the Parliament building of Jamaica is, Garden House. We have lots of videos up of driving on Duke Street, so you can check them out. Okay, so we just passed over East Street, which is a one-way, so you'd have to turn right and head towards Port Royal Street. Now on the right is the head office for Grace Kennedy, one of the largest companies in Jamaica. So on the right, now I don't think the camera is going to pick it up, but on the right is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Very nice building. I've always said every government ministry should have a building like that. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.